This program is brought to you by the Ministry of Education and Vocational Training Zanzibar in collaboration with Good Neighbors. The program is funded by KOICA.
Dear listener, let's find out, because you may learn useful concepts in this program as far as you pay your attention to listen. However, our program today is specially for Form 4 biology learners. The program will provide free discussion on A. The concept of growth. The concept of growth. B. Types of growth. Types of growth. C. The importance of growth in the life. And C. The importance of growth in the life. Self-assessment is allowed while the program is going on. For a lovely teacher. This program will help you to prepare a simple lesson for your students. This program will help you to prepare a simple lesson for your students so that they will learn with joy and improve their performance.
Hello Salma, how do you do today?
I'm fine. How are things, Musa?
Good.
Yesterday, I laughed so much at home.
Wow, but laughing is your hobby.
Yes, it is. But yesterday it was too much.
What happened?
My mother and I were looking at some photos at home.
Tell me more.
And she showed me a photo of me since I was a baby.
Oh, that's great. I think it was very important and surprising photo to you.
Yes, it was. That's why I laughed much when I saw how I looked like in that time.
So, how does your photo look like compared to nowadays?
I was very small. I was a baby.
You remind me, Salma.
About what?
About growth. And I have many questions related to the concept of growth.
Okay, you can ask me your questions. I think I can answer them all.
No, Salma. I don't think that you can answer those questions correctly, my friend.
Why don't you trust me, Musa?
I do trust you.
Anyway, let us visit Madam Guess. We will ask her many questions about growth.
Okay, but I wish to know something about Madam Guess. Is she a teacher?
I heard that she was a biology and an English teacher, but then she decided to open her own laboratory.
Alright.
Yeah, and now she deals with experiments in her laboratory. I think many students go there.
That is the person I was looking for. Is there any payment for her services?
Yes. First it was for free, but now she takes 1,000 per head.
No problem. Just prepare yourself to go there. I give you 3 minutes.
Okay. I'm ready.
Oh, good.
Alright, this is my notebook and this is for you.
Oh, thank you. Are we going to take Daladala?
No, on foot. And today, I'm going to remain passive. It is up to you to ask questions.
Okay, we will see. Let's go.
That is the place, Musa.
Wow, alright. I see a group of students getting out.
Good. Knock the door, please.
Get in, please.
Thank you.
How can I help you?
We would like to see Madam Guest.
Well, I think you know the procedure. You write your name and pay 1,000 each. Clear?
Yeah, it is clear.
Hello, madam.
Hi, how are you?
Fine.
Welcome. What can I do for you? And what is your name?
My name is Musa, and here is Salma.
Good. I'm Madam Guest.
We are challenged by the concept of growth. We need your assistance to understand the concept of growth, please.
Okay. Anything else?
Just only that for today.
Okay. If you don't mind, please help me to arrange those apparatus while we continue with your issue.
No problem.
Good. Let's start.
Well, we need to know how much weight did we have when we were in a baby state.
It is difficult, but you may turn to your mother and ask her. Maybe she can remember that. Doctors measure body weights of the babies once after delivery, so our mothers may remember that.
Yes, madam. We will do that.
Can you define growth, please?
Yes. I think growth is an increase in body size and weight.
Pardon me?
Growth is an increase in body size and weight.
Excellent. Musa, can you say it?
Yes, madam. Growth is an increase in body size and weight.
So, growth is all about increase in body size and body weight.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. And you can measure your height to know how tall or short you are.
And how can we measure the body height?
We can use meter ruler or tape to measure height. Here is the tape you can measure yourself.
Wow, I'm 1.8 meter. How about you, Musa?
I'm taller than you. I'm 2.3 meters.
I have another question, madam.
Okay, go on.
Does growth occur in all living things?
Yes, growth occurs in all living things. Growth occurs in both plants and animals.
And how many types of growth we have?
Good question. There is plant growth and animal growth.
Does growth occur uniformly in living things?
No, it occurs differently.
You mean living things do not grow the same ways?
Exactly. For instance, there is limited and non-limited growth.
Okay. What is the difference between those types?
For limited growth, an organism grows and then stops growing after reaching a certain period of age.
Thank you, madam. And what about in non-limited?
In non-limited, it means organism grows forever until death.
All right. Okay, I got you.
Good. For example, human beings show limited growth, while trees like mango show non-limited growth.
Madam,
Yes.
are there any other types of growth?
Yeah. There is diffuse growth and localized growth.
What is the difference between them, madam?
Diffuse growth occurs when all body cells divide to bring about growth.
Where this type of growth can be observed?
This is a form of animal growth. I mean, it occurs in animals.
Yes, madam. And what about localized growth?
In localized growth, the division of cells occurs only in particular areas of the body of an organism.
Can you give us an example, please?
For instance, it occurs in the roots and shoot apex of plants.
Very interesting, madam.
Yes, the tips of some plants are very soft and grow rapidly. Growing of the tips make plant increase in height.
Sorry, madam. Can you explain more about height?
The height in the shoot system and length of the roots also grow. This form of growth is called optical growth.
Optical growth?
Yes, optical growth. Plants also increase in the width of the stems, and this is called secondary growth.
How about growing of hands and legs in human beings?
The right hand and left hand grow equally.
What type of growth is this?
It's called isometric growth.
Isometric growth?
Yes, isometric growth. And there is also the opposite of it, called allometric growth.
What does it mean?
It's a type of growth where body parts grow at different rates. Well, there are few things remaining, but for today, I think it's enough.
Oh, thank you, Madam Guest. We are very happy.
Alright, thank you for your company and welcome again.
Thank you, madam. Wish you a good day.
Musa,
Yes?
today I have learned different types of growth.
Yeah, I remember them.
Tell me, what are they?
There are animals and plants. There are also limited and non-limited growth.
Okay, you remember them. But don't forget, diffuse and localized growth as well as optical and secondary growth.
I think we need to sit again and discuss each one.
You are right. But there are other types we should also remember.
Yes, there are isometric and algometric.
I know each type, and you?
I do too.
Soma, soma mwana soma, uwe mjini. Soma, soma mwana soma, uwe kijijini. Soma, soma mwana soma, ukiwa na mahitaji maalum. Soma, soma mwana soma.
All right, we were together in your discussion and I'm so happy. Hopefully, our dear listener has gained a lot through your discussion and that they know that each type of growth. Now, here are the questions about the topic for further discussion. Briefly explain two variables of growth in living things. Briefly explain two variables of growth in living things. Briefly explain two variables of growth in living things. Sit with your friend to discuss how growth differs among living things. Sit with your friend to discuss how growth differs among living things. Here is the end of this program, but you are so welcome in the next program. So until next time, see you.